In this short guide, how to create a course in PrepareBuddy, every setting that controls it, and how to enroll a student into it.
The course gives you much more control over a cohort. Open Manage Courses, create a new one, and choose the test type, name it, and give it a description. Then set the instructor and the maximum number of students you want to enroll. There is a price field too, but that is metadata for your own records. It is not robot, not synthetic, not over-enunciated.
Next, the schedule. Give the course a start date and a fixed duration, or make it perpetual, so it runs continuously with no end date, and you simply keep adding students to it. Then set the default access every enrolled student receives, 3 months here. Decide whether initial assessment tests are assigned automatically, how many tests each student can see, and whether that limit increases on its own as they work through them. Then create the course. Everything you set here becomes the default for every student who joins, and you can still override any of it per student afterwards.
The course is created. Now enroll a student into it. Choose the course, search for the student, and either inherit the course defaults for their access tenure and test limits, or override them for this person specifically, enroll them, and they are in. The student appears immediately in your student list, with their access window, their tenure and their test limits all visible at a glance.
And that is creating a course in PrepareBuddy. Get a demo at PrepareBuddy.com.